Here to talk about the potential breakup of the EU and the UK is Charlie Lewis. He's with Trading Advantage. Hello to you.
Greetings, greetings.
So Charlie is somebody who trades currency. So he's watching what's going on with the dollar and with the pound, which actually can tell us a lot about how the market is feeling about this Brexit potential situation happening here.
Very exciting times, absolutely. And we've had polls that have indicated that the exit was ahead. Then we have the odds makers who are indicating that the folks who want to stay in are ahead. And now on Thursday we have the election, or the referendum, I should say. So it's going to be very exciting. I think the market has already voted based on the price movement that we've seen in the pound so far. But I think that there are still some opportunities out there, especially on the eve of the referendum, which is going to be on Thursday.
What is the pound telling us?
The pound is telling us that Britain is going to stay in. And it has discounted, at least today, it's discounted a significant amount of that premium, or rather the discount that was reflected in the fear that we saw last week. All of that has come back. We're very close to the highs, very close to the 150 mark. Which is an area which I think market participants should consider for selling opportunities in the British pound.
Because now that it's so built up, you see a big sell-off happening in the pound, which makes people who are going to London very happy.
Oh yes,
because this could be a good travel deal with the dollar versus the pound.
Yeah.
So what do you foresee if the market's wrong, and could the market get it wrong?
Oh, the market, yes, the market makes a habit of getting it wrong. These are the black swan events that have been discussed under a variety of different circumstances. I think that if the market gets it wrong and we wake up on Friday with Britain having voted to leave, you could see a severe crash in values, asset values across London, certainly, and Europe. And some sort of a reflection on US-based assets as well. But I think that if Britain does leave the European common market mechanisms, I think that there are going to be some monumental opportunities to buy those exquisitely deep discounts that are going to be manifest in the first couple of days after that reaction.
Okay, so basically translation to that is if there's a breakup, stock markets globally, they're going to sell with both hands.
Absolutely.
Sell.
Absolutely.
And that could be a buying opportunity.
Within 48 hours, I would say you're probably going to discover some unique values, particularly in British shares, the British Petroleum, Barclays Bank, a variety of other assets which are going to come into play dramatically in those first 48 hours after an exit vote, which I'm not expecting, but if it does come to pass, you could see some really beautiful opportunities.
If we do get this exit vote, what do you think it will mean for the United States, and what will it mean for the UK and the EU? As a trader, I know you have to look at the broader picture.
That's a very interesting question, because Britain is not operating in a vacuum. This vote is not coming about in a vacuum. We have similar situations in Italy right now with the five-star party in Italy indicating that they want to break away from the EU. We have political movements in the United States itself where people are manifesting on both ends of the spectrum. They're manifesting their dissatisfaction with the present order. So Britain is not really alone in this sense. There's a sort of general malaise and wanting, need for change, which is becoming manifest across Europe, across the United States. And it could have significant it could have significant repercussions across the world. I think that this vote on Thursday is not going to be the end of the story. Okay. I think that we will continue to explore the potential for these kinds of sort of manifestations of dissatisfaction in a variety of different areas of the world.
Great to have you here. Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's going to be interesting, to say the least.
Yes, we look forward to it. Very exciting times.